Go ahead.
Okay.
Esophagus, crop,
It's this right here where the food was. Crop.
proventriculus,
Right
Yeah,
there
what is
is right. It's like a tube following the
The tube above
gizzard.
the gizzard.
Yeah, it's following the gizzard.
The gizzard is a blue butterfly.
Gizzard.
Point the source there.
There.
Green.
intestine,
Intestine, green butterfly with your handy.
and the liver,
Liver is red butterfly.
the pancreas,
This one and this one.
Pancreas is blue moon.
and cloaca.
Green star.
The kidneys,
Are in the back.
Kidneys would be located in the back, next to the
Backbone.
atria and ventricle,
Okay. This is the
Atria
heart.
on the top.
Atria on the top. Ventricle on the bottom.
what about lungs and air sacs?
Lungs, we
Ovaries?
haven't found them yet.